Yes, students. Now we are in chapter number 7, that is coins and notes. Students, you all might be going to shop with your parents, correct? And you all know how to exchange the coins and how to exchange for the notes. And you all know how to total the grocery items, total amount, and the amount you give to the shopkeeper, the notes which you give, and how many balance the shopkeeper will give to you. You all know it very clearly, correct na students? Yes. Now here for the exchanging a big coins into a smaller ones. Okay, the first one they have given for 1 rupee coin. Students, ever you have not seen the 50 rupees coin? You will have seen 50 rupees coin, students. Some students might have seen and some students might have not seen. Why? Because now in the market we are not able to see 50 rupees coin. If your parents are having, just ask them and see the 50 rupees coin. Okay, students. Now for exchanging 1 rupee coin, how many 50 rupee coins are needed? We need 2 coins. Correct, students? We need 2 coins. How? See, 50 paise plus 50 paise, 50 paise and 50 paise make 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise is equal to how many rupee? 1 rupee. Okay. So 1 rupee is equal to 250 paise. How many 50 paise? 250 paise. Okay, that is 2 coins of 50 paise. Now see the next one, 2 rupees. Okay, for the exchange of 2 rupees there are 3 methods. In 3 method you all can exchange the 2 rupee coin. What are those 3 methods? Now see, the first one is exchanging of 50 paise coin. So how many 50 paise coins you all are needed to exchange 2 rupees? Now how you all have seen 250 paise makes 1 rupee. So 250 paise makes 1 rupee. Then again 250 paise makes 1 rupee. So 1 plus 1 is how many rupees? 2 rupees. Correct? So 450 paise you have needed to make 2 rupee coin. Now in the next method, how many 1 rupee coins are needed? कितने 1 rupee coins needed है to make 2 rupees? 2 1 rupee coin. Correct? 1 rupee and 1 rupee, 2 1 rupee coin you all needed. In the third method you see 1 rupee coin plus 250 paise coin. So 250 paise is 1 rupee. So 1 plus 1 is 2 rupee. This is the other method. Okay. Now we will see the exchange for a 5 rupee coin. Now 5 rupee coin easily you all might be seeing at your home, in the market, and you all might be having in your piggy bank also. Yes, na students? You purchase many items for 5 rupees. For example, your Fevicol, gum, your pencil, then Cadbury's 5 rupees. Correct, students? So 5 rupees easily you all might be seeing. Now how you will be exchanging 5 rupee with the help of these coins? So first one they have given 1 rupee. First one, which rupee they have given? 1 rupee. So how many 1 rupee you have needed to exchange for 5 rupee? कितना 1 rupee coins चाहिए 5 rupees बनने के लिए? तो 1 2 3 4 5. तो कितने 1 rupee coins you have needed? 5 1 rupee coin you will have needed. Correct ना students? Yes. अभी next method में देखो, how many 2 rupee coin and how many 1 rupee coin makes 5 rupee. Correct? So now you are having 2 rupee coin है तुम्हारे पास और 1 rupee coin है आपके पास. तो how many coins are needed to make 5 rupee? Okay. Now 2 rupee plus 2 rupee, it becomes 4 rupees plus 1 rupee. So 4 plus 1 is 5 rupee. So how many coins are needed? 2 2 rupee coins are needed and 1 rupee coins are needed. So it makes 5 rupee. Okay. Now it is 50 paise. Correct? Now 50 paise, it is 5. One method is तुमको double करना है. That is 5 2s. 5 2s is how much? 10. So 10 50 paise coins needed. Okay. The other method is you all can count. See, 250 paise make 1, 250 paise make 1, then again 250 paise make 1, then again 250 paise make 1, then again 250 paise make 1. तो how many? See, 1 2 3 4 5. तो एक एक लाइन के लिए 2 2. तो यहाँ पर 2, यहाँ पर 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Again I am saying if it is 50 paise coin, 50 paise है तो फिर the total value को 2 times multiply करो, double time, that is 5 2s are 10. So 10 50 paise coins are needed when it is 50 paise. जब सिर्फ 50 paise at that time double times करो. Okay, that will be easy for you all to understand. Okay, now we will see the change for 10 rupee. Now 10 rupee के लिए. Now see again 50 paise. First one ही 50 paise है. तो what you will do? 10 rupees का double करो. So 10 multiply by double 2 times, that is 20. So how many 50 paise is needed? 20. Okay. Now how many 1 rupee you will need? 1 rupee के coin कितना चाहिए? Of course 1 rupee का 10 coins चाहिए. Correct? 10. Then 2 rupees का कितने coins चाहिए? That is 2 5s are 10. Correct? 5 coins. Okay. Then now again combination of 2 rupee and combination of 1 rupee. Okay, combination of 2 rupee and combination of 1 rupee. Now we will take 4 coins of 2 rupee. You can take 3 coins of 2 rupee also. You can take 2 coins of 2 rupee also. For example, I will take 3 coins. अभी 3 coins का 2 rupees है तो 3 2 जा, what is the answer? 2 coins of 3 rupee is equal to 6. 6 rupees हुआ. अभी 10 में से 6 rupees if you will minus, how many rupees is balance? 10 में से 6 rupees minus किए तो कितने balance है? You will be having 4 rupees. So 4 rupees को we are supposed to take 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin of 4, that is 4 rupees. 6 plus 4 is 10 rupees. You all can take combination of 4 coins also. If you take 2 rupees का 4 coin तो 8 rupees बना, तो balance is 2 rupees. Then 2 coins of 1 rupee, then 2 rupees बना, then 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, you all can take example of any coins. Okay. Now last one, 5 rupee coin. This तो you can say very easily. Correct ना students? कितने 5 rupees का coins चाहिए for making 10 rupee coin? 5 rupee का कितने coins will be needed? 2 coins. 5 2s are 10. Yes students, it is easy now. Now we will go to next page.